Today we are going to turn this into this. So to start, we are going to take our piece of paper and we are going to fold it in half. Once you get it folded in half, you can open it back up again and then flip it over. Once it's flipped over, we're going to take this edge here and fold it down along our center line, the crease we just made. Then we'll take this edge here and match it, fold it along that crease. Now, once we have that done, we're going to take this center piece, the center point, we're going to fold it down right to this point here, where our paper is. So we'll just put it right in the center there and make a nice crease there. Now we can open that up, and then this crease that we just made, we're going to fold it down to this point that we just folded the point down to. So we're going to take our crease that we just made, line it up here, and then we're going to make sure our point is lined up with the center, and we'll make a crease there. Then you can take this time, you can smooth out your paper, make sure all those creases are nice and good. So we're sitting with this. We're then going to take this edge here and we're going to fold it down to our center line. Now when you're doing this, it's going to want to push the point here over. So you're going to want to keep that paper as solid as you can. Line it up, make your crease. Once that one's done, you can do the exact same thing on the other side. Take this edge, fold it down to your center line. So you're sitting with a piece of paper that looks just like this. Now, let's open this back up again. And you have little pockets on each side here. So we're going to start with this one. And start by just getting your finger underneath it and hold here. Now we're going to crease right along here, but just on this little triangle. So get it pushed over and give it just a little crease there. Now what we're going to do is you see this crease that you have running right down here. We're going to fold from this point down to where that crease meets the edge. So we'll just start slowly rolling it over until we get to that point where it's right on that crease. It matches up perfectly. And then we'll just flatten everything out there. So it looks just like that. That pocket is opened up and it's folded right down to where that crease meets the edge. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Get your finger inside. Hold this piece here and give it a nice fold there. Now same thing, start rolling it over until it matches up where the other crease meets the edge. Smooth everything out. So this is what we were sitting with right now. Now you have a couple little edge pieces here, a couple little flaps. We're going to fold these back in and we're going to put this tip inside of those flaps. So we'll pull that tip out up a bit and pull that pocket open and get it tucked in there. And we're going to do the exact same thing with the other side. So it just folds in behind the tip there. And then you can work it in. Oh, mine jumped out. Let's try that again. So everything now is locked in together. Nice and sturdy. You can smooth out all your folds here. And we're sitting with this. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take it and flip it over and fold it in half. Again, we can flatten out all of our folds. Now, we are going to do our wings. So start by folding it at the tip, and then we're going to slowly roll it down until this little triangle here disappears. So just keep rolling it down until it just disappears. And that is where we are going to set our wing. Then we're going to flip it over. We're going to line it up on the other side. And you are sitting with your finished plane. All you have to do is lift the wings up a bit. You want a little bit of upward direction on those. And there's only one thing left to do before you go fly this, and it's leave a comment and let me know how yours turned out. I'm gonna get this one outside and give it a toss. Thanks for watching. Can't wait to hear from you.